It's a red premium football box number 1. He's fire. So commit first auto. So Alec Iomaner. So rookie ink for Tennessee. It's me toe. 299 Parsons Groove. So Cam Ward Showstoppers. Morrison Rook. There we go. Had a lot of double auto boxes. So Roy Williams. Cool throwback for Dallas. Boys, Johnny P. So 199 Roquan Fractal. So 99. Shadur Supernova. Trey Harris rookie. David Njoku. Is that 1 of 8? Is that infinites for Cleveland? Browns Ethan. Start the hiccups now. So Drew Brees.com. Gabriel Rook. Carter Michael Irvin Groove. Quinn Ewers Revolutionary Rook. Emeka Ebuka. The Boss. JT Groove. It's Jackson Dart Supernova rookie. OG Man, Cam Ward Rook. GT Trey Harris rookie groove. OJ Jettas Pay Dirt. Terrence Ferguson. Monty Jalen Carter Lightning. So Lightning 60. Philly. Graham Ty Felton rookie. Collins. Well, Sam Laporta Lightning. It's 27 to 60. Detroit. Old Bo Nix Showstoppers. Quinn Ewers. Julian. Ooh, Tyler Warren. It's the Pink Ice rookie. The Colts Ethan. So 22 with 35. So Colston, double Colston. Oh, bird. Breeze, Jay Fields, Michael Pittman Groove. So Caleb Johnson, Supernova, RJ Harvey. Shamir Gibbs, James Pierce. So Sunburst Rook. So Atlanta. 3 of 18. Mecca Pay Dirt. Pierce rookie. So much short print stuff in these. Dunze Kyron. Shadur Revolutionary rookies. Jaden Blue rookie from Dallas. Man, that's been sweet. Another box is up. There we go. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.